Today,
Dia?
gingerbread
House.
house.
Right. Go.
And make gingerbread house. Have cookies and
Icing.
icing and marshmallows and
Candy.
candy
Jewels.
cereals.
Okay, let's start. You copy that one, Tia. What are you doing?
I do it. Oh,
What are you doing? What are you putting? Candy, right? Yes. Okay, you put it now. You talk. Can you talk? Are you shy?
no.
No. Come on.
Okay.
What are those colors? You good?